Good morning, students, to all of you. Okay, let's start today's work. Close packing. I will show you today few 3D structures of 1D, 2D of the close packing. Let's see. Number one is here. We are having this is a 1D arrangement of the sphere. As I told you yesterday also, this is 1D sphere, and coordination number is into it. As I told you here, this is a central sphere spore, and how many spheres are touching to it? Total how many spheres are touching to it? Total 2 spheres are there, 1 and 2. That is why its coordination number is 2. Is that clear? Now after that we are moving towards two-dimensional analysis. Now in the two-dimensional, you see, please all of you, please carefully see. This is the first arrangement of two-dimensional where each sphere is under one another. Okay, then see all of you, please, what to do there, how we are writing it, that only we have to see. So whenever we are writing over there, all the layers are same. What is same? What is here, beta? All the layers are same here. Then let it be, this is A, this is also layer A, this is A, this is A, and this is A. Then what is going to happening over there? You just see over there. Now let it be, this is सेंट्रल स्फीयर. ये कौन सा है आपके पास? सेंट्रल स्फीयर है. नाउ टू द सेंट्रल स्फीयर हाउ मेनी स्फीयर्स आर टचिंग? 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, 4 spheres are touching. That is why it is known as square close packing. What you will call it? You can call it square close packing in 2D. Why square close packing in 2D? Because there is a formation of square, and this is also called AAA type arrangement. AA type arrangement in 2D. Is that clear? This is about the close packing in 2D first arrangement. Okay, now after that we are going to do next one. You see, please. Now see, this is also a close packing in two-dimensional, but you see the difference. Difference is there or not there? Previously they were aligned directly to each other, but here in this case, see it very carefully, arrangement is different. कैसे different है? अब यहाँ से I think is clear to you. This thing is, अब कैसे arrangement है देखो इधर ध्यान से. This layer is let it be A, and this is a layer B. This is the layer A, then this is layer B, this is layer A. Layers are different. Previously all the layers are same. Okay, so it means this is called AB type arrangement. AB type arrangement in 2D, and this is the second arrangement in 2D. Clear? Then after that, what to do there? After that, इसके बाद हमने क्या करना है? वी हैव टू सी द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. व्हाट टू डू देयर? वी हैव टू सी द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इनटू दैट, एंड व्हेनेवर वी हैव टू सी द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इनटू दैट, प्लीज सी, लेट इट बी, आई एम मेकिंग दिस पोस्चर portion like this way. Then you see I am darkening any circle in the center. Now how many spheres are touching over there? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 spheres are there, and what they are going to make over there, बेटा क्या बना रहे हैं आपके पास ये? They are going to make hexagonal close packing. क्या बना रहे हैं? Hexagonal close packing means it should be like HCP. What you can call it? HCP in two-dimensional. What do we call? HCP in two-dimensional. Clear? Previously was square close backing, and this is called hexagonal close backing. And just remember it better, one thing more, that HCP is more stable. Okay, HCP जो close backing है 2D, it is more stable than the square close backing, because here in this case spheres are more tightly packed. Spheres are, yes, more tightly packed. Clear? Okay, then after that we are going toward next one. See, this is a close packing in 3D. Please see it very carefully. See, this is a close packing in 3D. I think it's visible to you all. ये 3D की close packing है बेटा. Why this is 3D? Because here x-axis, y-axis and z-axis all are there. Okay, this is 3D. Which arrangement is here बेटा? This is the 3D arrangement of the spheres. कौन सा arrangement है? 3D. And 3D कौन सा arrangement है? First arrangement. When the spheres are aligned down each other. Okay, then what to do there in this case? Okay, just see, let it be, this is A, this is A, this is A, everywhere A is here, but what to do right over there? We'll say A type arrangement in 3D. Yes or no? What is it? A type arrangement in the 3D. Clear है? Oh, is that clear? A type arrangement in 3D. अब 3D बोला है मैंने, 1D या 2D नहीं बोला, because the spheres are arranged in 3D. Clear है? After that, you see please, next arrangement. This is the arrangement in 3D only, but difference is here. Please see the difference very carefully. One sphere is aligned down each other, in the voids of each other. You see, please see the spheres very carefully. See, I hope you are getting my point. बेटा यहाँ पर sphere properly उसमें नहीं है. How they are? Let it be. This is A. The next one is B. This is A. This is B. But arrangement is 3D. So this is called AB type arrangement. AB type arrangement in 3D. Okay, in 3D. Okay, students. So now after that, beta, in the next video we are going to explain their voids, what type of voids they are forming. Okay, how many voids are there, each and everything for the 3D we will do in detail in the next video. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Please see the videos and make a comment in a comment section. Thank you so much to all.